So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you've not subscribed, please before you go, click on the subscribe button, like and share. We would be looking at this GBPJPY. We will try to predict where the price will be moving for the next day, which is on the 4th. By the way, I've done analysis on this our GBPJPY. I think on the weekly time frame. If you've not watched it, you can go to watch it. Now on this GBPJPY, I want us to actually start from the weekly time frame to better understand this movement and why I took a particular trade. You can see on this my daily time frame, right? I actually took this trade. You can see it. I'm going up, and this is where I set my take profits. I will tell you why I did so. Now, if you look at this weekly time frame, if you have to zoom it out, you can see that we are on a bullish move. We are riding up, right? Now the price has actually been going up. So for those of you who knows how to trade moving average, I've applied it here. I'm using 10 period moving average, by the way. So we all know the rules of trading 10 period moving average. Once the price is above 10 period moving average, we have to go long, right? And once it is below 10 period moving average, we have to short. So very clearly we see that this our price has been above 10 period moving average. So it got to a time it broke below it. And now if you look at this recent movement here, you can see that this price, this candlestick week, especially on this weekly time frame, is above 10 period moving average, meaning we are on a bullish move. Now, and another reason why I said we are on a bullish move is that we can highlight some key level here. You see, I highlighted, you see, price came to this level and we had this huge candlestick week here. So also, price came to this same level and we had this huge candlestick week here. We saw this price came close to the same level while we had this candlestick week here, and another it happened here again. You see that at this place we will be taking this top as our resistance level, and let's see another level here which I will be highlighting, which is support level. It is more visible, by the way, on daily time frame. So we see this huge candlestick week here that rejected, also came to this level. Candlestick week here happened, even here and here. So weekly time frame, you can consider that as a range market move. So kind of here, right? So if you see that this price has now broken above this support level, where we clearly, what we can clearly see is that this GBP is moving to a next level, and the next level we clearly can see is a this resistance level. Now to better understand it, we would have to roll down to the daily time frame. Now this is a daily time frame, so for better understanding, see the level that I highlighted here. You see price rejected here multiple times, right? So we can take it as the support level, and we will take this top as the resistance level. So definitely this price is now above this support level, and it is heading to a new key level. And this key level we are seeing here is this level, which is our resistance level. So this is one of the reasons why I predicted that GBPJPY on the 3rd will actually give us a bullish move. You can see this, you see the movement for today, which is on the 3rd. We actually opened and closed bullish. Very much likely, I am also predicting that for the next day on Tuesday, which is on the 4th, would actually open and close bullish. So we are still seeing a bullish move on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY, we have to go bullish. At least we would want to see this price actually roll to take out this resistance level before this week end, by the way. So before this week end, this JPY should actually take out this resistance level. Now if you take a look at this movement also on our JPY index, by the way. So this is what I'm seeing on JPY index. So let's understand this JPY index now. If you have to zoom this JPY index on our daily time frame, we can see that we are on a bearish move. You see JPY index is dropping, right? Then it got to a certain period of time when JPY index started ranging. We saw it drop to the support level, then it rolled back to this resistance, then drop. You can see it came drop into our support level and resistance level. Then all of a sudden this JPY index broke below the support level. Of course, we would be expecting it to come and test the support level, right? So not only does this price came to test this support level, it actually broke above it. So now that it has broken above it and got into our resistance level, of course, we will be expecting a drop again. So as we are expecting this drop, definitely any PS we are trading to JPY should actually be giving us the bullish move. So reason why we are going bullish on GBPJPY. Now take a look at this JPY index. You can take this bearish move like this, one movement, a correction. You see one of the reasons why we actually opened and closed red here for 3rd, so the next day we would be expecting it to actually open and close bearish, so at least to come and take out these lows. If possibly this when this week end, at least we should be able to take out this breakout level, which I believe should happen, by the way. But before that, we want to take it to this support level. So meaning as we are dropping on our JPY index, then this GBP to JPY will actually give us that bullish move. So I mean, the reason why I'm still going bullish on GBP JPY. So I mean, if the price can take out this level here that I've highlighted here, definitely we should, after it takes out this level, then this next level is what we'll be expecting for our GBP JPY to come and take out